What's going on, guys? Welcome to my moped garage. Today's video is finishing up the paint on the batavus. So this is where I'm at right now. I got most of it all taped up. I got this taped up over here. I got some of the fender taped up. I gotta tape up a little bit more of the fender, just in case. Yeah, that's this way. That all taped up. So tomorrow, I'm going to, I think I have some carb clean or some starting fluid, so I can clean the area and then go ahead and paint it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? I'm back. I'm not sure where I left off last time. It's been a couple of weeks, so I forgot to hit the record button, but I'm gonna do this again. So got one side of it painted. Oh, maybe you guys can't see it, but I got one side of it painted. Over to the other side I got just primed. That's it for now. They're all painted up. I'm gonna let it be out here for a little bit. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I've already started putting the motor back on, wiring up everything. I have spark. I still have to figure out which of these wires to go up to the stock wiring harness to hopefully make everything work. But for right now, I just have it hooked up to my switch so I can get it going, stop breaking it in, and then I can figure out everything else afterwards. Alright guys, I got her outside now. It's a nice ass day, so I'm gonna try to start it in this video as well. Got everything buttoned up. I got the exhaust hanger mounted now. The bike is ready to ride. So this will be the first startup on the bike. I do have to break it in, just the carburetor and things like that, but it should run. We'll see. Turn this fuel on. And that's the kill switch. Okay, we'll choke it just in case. Whoop. It sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so good. So I'm gonna run it for a little bit longer, and then I might take her out for a ride and see. And there is the batavus. I think the build came out awesome. I'll let you know in the next video on tuning it and my first ride. We'll see how that goes with this knockoff PWK. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.